You guys loved my last video where I showed you how to use one of these French pins. You can find that video here. And today, I'm going to show you another style, a really cute half-up style that is just perfect for one of these guys. One of the main reasons I love these pins is because they are a super low impact way to put your hair up. Low impact meaning it's not likely going to cause damage in your hair because it uses very little tension compared to a hair tie or something like that. So it's going to be very similar to using like a claw clip or something in your hair, something that is a lot more gentle on your hair. The one thing I did do that is going to make your life a lot easier if you do it as also is put dry texture spray in my hair. This has given my hair a lot of texture. It's made it a bit dry. It's made it more grippy. If your hair is really smooth, a tool like this is going to be a little harder to use because it's going to slip out of your hair more easily. If your hair has a bit of grit and texture, this is going to hold on better. You can do it without the dry texture spray, but this is going to help. I've also put some beach waves in my hair today, which I think really elevates a style like this. It doesn't quite look the same in straight hair, but you can do it in straight hair. That's totally fine, totally up to you. If you do want to see how I curl and wave my hair, then you can check out my curl tutorial playlist. There are tons of tutorials there for that.
You're going to start by gathering the top section of your hair, however much you want to put up, and you're going to twist it around on itself till you create a nice solid base. You always want to make sure when you use the pin, the curve is away from your head, because when you flip it over, you want the curve to be going towards your head. So you're going to start the pin on the side that your hair is not twisted towards. But as you can see here, I'm actually doing it wrong this time. I put it far too far away. And what happened is you're going to feel immediately when you put it too far away that as you flip the pin over, it gets too tight. So the second time I did it there, I just had the pin a little bit closer to the edge so that when I flip it over to this other side and then back through the other way, it doesn't feel a lot of tight tension. The key to making sure that this is secure is to make sure you get hair from the twist and hair from underneath the half up section of your hair as well.
I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a fun and easy way to put your hair up in a damage-free French pin. Let me know in the comments what you think and what other videos you guys would like to see. And don't be afraid to wear your hair up, half up, just because you don't have a lot of hair. Even though it's gonna look thin on the bottom, that's okay. It still looks great. You do you, girl. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe because it really helps me out. Bye, guys.